We are here with Kendall and we are going to do a little product check. We've been dying to see what these little rollers do because everyone wants those like voluminous, I feel like almost like rollered look, but sometimes Velcro rollers, they're so fun and they work so good, but sometimes they take a while, and if you're kind of in a hurry, I feel like this is maybe like a better way. I don't know, but we'll see, because it's hard to find ones like this it's hard to find ones that are big enough, because they make so many hot rollers like we used to use back in the day, and I feel like they're always too small, and so they make, I don't want it to be like so curly. I want it to be almost to where it just gives it like a lot of body and it's like bouncy. Kendall found these. Amazon, baby. As you can see, it just comes with a little, it comes with five. Which I think most people, I mean, you could do like the top section and be good.
I did my hair the other day with Velcro rollers and I only used 6.
Yeah,
like,
and
you don't need to do your whole head.
And it works so good. But like, it comes with these little clips. It comes with these clips because you're gonna clip them on, like, you'll like clip the little clip on the roller. So it's kind of nice because all you do is we're just gonna plug these in. And these other ones have already been sitting, so I'm just gonna put them in just kind of the same way we do like Velcro rollers. And I'm just gonna take a section starting off from the back, and oh, that's crazy. You can actually like touch them and they're not so hot.
Really?
So I'm gonna just roll these back and under, just like I would do like a Velcro roller. Roll them back, and then I'm gonna clip, oh.
Yours is finished.
So perfect. And then I'm gonna take another section, kind of like taking like a mohawk section, so just this top piece. And then I'm gonna roll this forward and then make sure all the ends are tucked under, and then roll that back. So I'm gonna do 2 more sections right here. And obviously, like, she has a ton of hair, so I am going to use a lot of rollers, but like I say, you can always do just like the top part. Just if you're in a hurry and you need a little extra volume. Like, I feel like it's perfect. Then I'm gonna take her sides and do the same thing. I feel like you just can't put that much hair in. You gotta make sure it clamps down good enough. Now onto the second batch. And I think I'm just gonna do like her top section just to show you what it's like. And then we'll kind of just let them sit in for a little bit. So again, I'm just curling these down and under. And then we'll just kind of let them sit for a little bit, and we'll take them out and see if these suckers really work. Now I'm just gonna let that sit. If you wanted, obviously you could do the whole head, but it will take a little longer, but Now we'll just kind of let that sit for like 5 minutes and see how it does. And then we'll show you when we take them out. We let them cool, and now we're just gonna like slowly just take them out and see how bouncy this gets. I feel like it already looks so cute. I feel like it's definitely more noticeable than like the Velcro rollers. Like, and it's like faster. Like, but I mean, I feel like they both work, but I mean, I'm sorry, it's so bouncy, right? But I mean, obviously, there's only 5 in a pack, so if you just want to spend $60, then just get one pack and just do the top. And I feel like it would be perfect. So after I take them out, then just kind of run your fingers through. And just get the little kinks out. I'm trying to decide if it works better than the Velcros, but the Velcros work so good too.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a little more voluminous.
Yeah. I do think it better.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It is creakier though.
Mm-hmm. Like it has little kinks. You have to be so careful not to like kink it. But so I think you have to be careful with the clips not to kink it, but it's kind of hard because you have to like make sure it's holding.
Yeah.
Anyways, okay, so I definitely give this a thumbs up. I feel like it's easy, fast. You just put them on the top and you're good, but just be careful. Make sure you get the ends in there good and make sure they don't get kinked, but it looks cute. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.